Brijesh. So today I am going to tell you how you can list the archive users from the PowerShell. So now let's start PowerShell first. Run as an administrator. We have some command. So first we will connect from our exchange. You can see we have some another command. Now let's copy and paste this command. You will get all the archive users in your organization, so you can see. So this was the command, and I will paste all the commands in description box, guys, so you can get it easily. So thank you for watching. Have a nice day.